ISRO's Chandrayaan 2 rover Pragyan may be able to contact again, and here is how. 10 months after ISRO's failed attempt to soft land Vikram lander safely, there is still possibility of the rover rolling out of the lander. Space enthusiast who found the debris of India's moon lander Vikram, Shanmuga Subramaniam, tweeted on Saturday claiming Chandrayaan 2's rover Pragyan to be intact. He mentioned that the rover had rolled out a few meters from the skeleton Vikram lander whose payload got disintegrated due to rough landing. To which the chairman of Indian Space Research Organisation ISRO, Dr. K. Sivan, said that they have received the communication and are working on the same. Subramaniam also mentioned that it seems the commands were sent to the lander blindly for days and there is a possibility that the lander could have received commands and passed them to the rover. But the lander was not able to communicate it back to the Earth. There is also the possibility of the rover rolling out the lander when it reached the moon's surface. After tweeting a picture taken by NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbital (LRO), Shanmugam said the white dot might be the skeleton free from the other payloads. And the black dot might be the rover in that picture, which may be still intact on the moon's surface. Latest pictures from LRO showed rover tracks on the moon from the lander. The debris found by NASA might be of other payloads, transmitting antenna and thrusters, he said. The United States Space Agency also accredited Shanmuga for helping it find ISRO's Vikram moon lander debris on the lunar surface. Shanmuga works as a technical architect at engineering company Lennox India Technology Center in Chennai. It was on July 22, 2019, when the GSLV rocket nicknamed Bahubali blasted off from the rocket port of Sriharikota in Andhra Pradesh. On September 6 last year, Vikram lost its contact with ISRO following its launch from Chandrayaan 2 moon orbiter. The mission was targeted to land on moon's high land smooth plain about 600 kilometers from its south pole. However, the attempt for making India the first country to land on the South Pole faced a setback after Vikram lander lost communication. On July 21 of this year, another moon mission was launched by a geosynchronous satellite launch vehicle, GSLV Mk3M1. So do you think the rover will be able to make contact again? Let us know in the comments below and subscribe to our channel for more videos like these.